Hey, Chick-fil-A fans, if you've got a gift card and you want to order, you want to use it to order through the Chick-fil-A app, guys, don't worry, guys. I have got you covered. All right. So here's how to actually place your order using your gift card, a step by step, guys. The first things first, you want to actually just open up the Chick-fil-A app and then just log into your account, okay? And then you want to tap on a rewards at the bottom of the screen and then select add funds. Okay, you want to actually enter the gift card number and PIN, and your balance will be added to your account as Chick-fil-A funds. As you can see here right now, it says $0, but when you add your funds, the amount will update. Then what you want to actually do, guys, is you want to start your order. So head back to the home screen and tap order food. Choose whether you want pickup, drive-through, or delivery, and then just select your location. And then, guys, you just want to browse the menu, all right? Browse the menu and add your favorite items to your cart. Make sure everything looks good before heading to checkout, right? And then, guys, at checkout, what you want to do is when you're ready to pay, okay, your Chick-fil-A funds will automatically appear as a payment option. Just confirm the total and just complete the order, guys, all right? And then you want to just pick up your food. So follow the instructions in the app to grab your meal, whether it's through drive-through, curbside, or inside the restaurant, guys. And there you go, guys. Ordering, food on the Chick-fil-A app with a gift card is that simple. Anyways, guys, if this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for easy ordering tips. And see you guys next time.